known as El Ponchis. He's a child who committed murder, and he spent a pretty good chunk of his young life in prison in Mexico. And now he's been deported to the United States and basically dropped off in San Antonio. Janet Jackson, got music on the brain. Janet Johnson joins me, forgive me, criminal defense attorney, Jacksonville, Florida. My apologies. But seriously, let's talk about this young man because, listen, I don't know if this criminal life is behind him, but under the eyes of the law here in the U.S., Janet, should he be walking here free?
Yeah, I mean, even the Mexican authorities said, look, we can't say he's rehabilitated, which was the whole point of the criminal justice system treating him as a juvenile. But I think if they could find a crime to charge him with in the U.S., they would. He just hasn't committed a crime in the U.S. And it just shows that the disparity between treatment of juveniles in America, where they can be direct filed as adult and get life in prison, and then a few miles away, you can only get 3 years as a juvenile. So he has to go free at 17.
So clearly, had he committed a crime of this same nature, he would have been facing a much, much harsher sentence. Let me ask you this, because here he is in the United States, yet to commit a crime, right, that we know of. Can U.S. authorities keep an eye on him? Can they follow him, legally speaking?
Well, you know, they can, what they're saying right now is that he may go into a sort of assisted home where he will be reintroduced, but he would have to cooperate. That would be his own choice. They can follow him if he's in public, but they would need a search warrant to go places that they don't have access to go into his home, to, you know, tap his phones, to do things that they wouldn't have access to that the public couldn't see. And I don't know that they're going to have probable cause to do that because he hasn't committed a crime in 3 years. He is done with his sentence, and he's a juvenile, so we can't even access a lot of this information because of privacy concerns.
Hopefully he is turning the page then. That's the hope here in the United States. Janet Johnson, thank you very much.
Right.